What's going on, traders? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading, Monday market recap. Got two plays to talk about that came off of the volatility scan. Going to talk about GRAY first. Interesting little level here that I was looking at pre-market. And you can see that this is today right through here, but this is a level that I was watching. A little bit of support. You can see resistance through here, fake right through here, resistance. And so we're going to take this all the way back to a 2-minute chart. I'm going to show you exactly what I did here on this play. And you can see that gray, G-R-A-Y, nice move, you know, it blasted right out of the gate, pulled back. I had to get into something where I was given some form of confirmation that this was going to be a mover, and that confirmation actually came right through here. And so what I was looking at was this breakout is sort of step one of what I was looking for. This fade was step two, and as soon as that fade reversed and got long, I was in this thing. And this is actually, funny enough, it's a low float stock, but it's optionable as well. So I took an options trade on this one, 27% on GRAY. Talked about this one in chat, was giving the guys sort of the play-by-play to a degree on this one. And then the other one was QUMU. This was also quite a decent mover. It ended up the day 22%. I typically like to see stocks move a little bit more than that, but you can see that there was actually a pretty solid longer term pattern that was playing out through here. And this was an ascending triangle with this squeeze right at the apex. This is a 2-minute chart. You can see the momentum shift, and then this thing just exploded from 315, and it was a moonshot up into the 388 level. Now, these are the volatile plays that I'm talking about. You're not going to see stocks like Facebook, Apple, Amazon, and so on, Microsoft. They're not going to be moving 22% a day. Their options will, derivative plays absolutely, but these lower float volatility plays for day trading specifically are fantastic. I'm going to be talking about this on Wednesday. I want you to join me if you haven't already secured your spot. We're about 80% full, so there is going to be a link below. Connect with that link, sign up, and meet me on Wednesday to talk about this volatility strategy.